Okay, this is day 24 of a teacher sabbatical. This is Kanazawa Castle Gardens, and it's basically meant to give you an impression of all the sounds the cicadas and birds make. It's like in a jungle. And apparently a music group is exercising down outside of the castle gardens, and this is the site the original feudal palace was located at the highest point of the hill. The whole area here is the Kaga domain, or was the Kaga domain. And that's where the feudal lord and the government, the administration was. Okay.